Well, good afternoon. I'm a Marshall, and recently purchased some pickups from a gentleman in Canada named David, and I'm shooting this video to thank him for, number one, getting these in the mail so quickly, and for providing me with some pickups, and selling me some pickups that work perfectly, and that brought this guitar back to the way it was when it was made. I had swapped out the pickups and removed the center position pickup in a dumb move a while back, and those pickups have long since been lost or thrown away or something. So David, I wanted to say thanks for getting these to me so quickly, and they just sound awesome. I'm really happy. So just a little tone demo. I'm running through my Hughes & Kettner Tubemeister 18 amp on the clean channel, and got our bridge position. Sounds great, nice and bright. Our bridge and center position, a little spanky Strat tone. Our center position. Our neck position and center position. And our neck position pickup. Who says you can't play jazz on a metal guitar, right? So the guitar sounds great. Again, I didn't video shooting or I didn't videotape the wiring that I did on this guitar. The back is still open. I don't want to share that knowledge with folks. It's what I do for a living. But guitar sounds great with some overdrive. Boy, I'm sloppy today. David, thanks, man. I really appreciate it. I told you I'd send you a picture, but I won't up myself on this one. Have a great day. It was nice to meet you. Thanks for the letters, and I appreciate your communication, and peace, brother.